Welcome to Edmonton EcoPark. My name is Tom and I'm a project manager at EcoPark South, where works are ongoing to build new recycling facilities for North London. This includes a resource recovery facility where borough vehicles will deliver rubbish to be sorted and sent for either reuse or recycling, and a new reuse and recycling facility where residents will be able to bring their recyclable and general rubbish into the EcoPark. We've reached a significant milestone in our delivery of the resource recovery facility. We've started our testing with waste and commissioning activities with London Energy before they can take over with operations. To prepare the site for testing, Taylor Woodrow provided London Energy with the use of different systems, such as the fire systems, that will ensure the test can take place in a safe manner. We have also been working closely with the 7 North London boroughs, who will bring the waste into the EcoPark once operational. Following the testing phase, we'll be checking that London Energy is satisfied to progress to the next phase of the development. Next, you'll hear from Ben, who will explain what London Energy is looking for during the waste trials. Over to you, Ben.
Thanks, Tom. My name is Ben and I'm Head of Transition at London Energy. Before London Energy take over the operation of EcoPark South facilities, we've been carrying out a programme of testing and activities alongside supporting Taylor Woodrow's commissioning. These tests are being carried out in phases and ramped up significantly in November and will continue through until February. Having tested the facility with our own London Energy vehicles, in November we organised 12 borough waste vehicles and their drivers to come to the facility. We didn't have them tip any waste, just undertake a number of expected vehicle manoeuvres around the facility and into bays. This helped us understand how we would manage traffic and the delivery of waste across the site, and supported the creation of a video induction to help truck drivers understand how the new site will work. We've also been working closely with Taylor Woodrow to aid their commissioning tests and pull together all the documentation we need to operate the site. This has included the delivery of nearly 90 training sessions on different systems across the new facility, including effluent treatment, odour suppression, fire and gas suppression and traffic management. We'll continue to carry out further training on additional topics such as health and safety and operational procedures. Well, testing with waste began at the start of December with 20 trucks arriving at EcoPark to tip different types of waste, including food, household, green, street waste, bulky waste and bio waste. And this of course is helping us understand how we'll operate the site. Following this, we will test our odour suppression system. To do this, we'll bring in approximately 45 waste trucks and tip approximately 200 tonnes of green food and bio waste into the facility, where it will remain for up to 4 days. And during this time, the integrated ventilation and odour suppression system will be running, and we can demonstrate to the Environment Agency that we're within our permit perimeters when the facility is operational. These tests will be complete by mid-December, and then the final minor works will be carried out. London Energy will go through a process of reviewing all of our operational and maintenance procedures and documentation, and undertake further familiarisation training with our teams on the ground before taking over management of the resource recovery facility to prepare for ramp up as to business as usual operations in the new year. Back to you, Tom.
Thanks, Ben. Alongside the waste trials, Taylor Woodrow is also carrying out black building tests, which is a simple but important test where we switch off the power to see whether the systems all react as they should in the event of a failure. We would expect the emergency exit lighting to be illuminated and the backup systems to kick in. Then we switch the power back on and see if the mechanical and electrical systems restart as they should. Over 2,000 solar panels were switched on in November, allowing the project to benefit from sustainable power supply during the final stages of the construction, including the building lights and power for the testing and commissioning activities. Each year, the panels are expected to generate over 900,000 kilowatt hours of renewable energy to power the new facilities. This is equivalent to powering 300 homes with electricity for a year. Lastly, the office furniture has now started to arrive in the reuse and recycling centre to furnish the buildings. We appreciate the work that Grimshaw and London Energy have put in for their detailed coordination of the furniture, fittings and equipment. Next, you'll hear from Haring Play Association. They'll be sharing how the Energy Recovery Facility construction contractor Acciona has helped their organisation through the Repower Community Scheme this year.
Haring Play Association exists to provide a safe and adventurous play environment for children, especially in urban areas. My name is Tam and my role here is Senior Play Worker and Site Manager. One of the best feelings that's been described to me from young children is that they didn't feel that they could or were capable of making something before they came here, After a few days, they're sawing woods, they're joining woods, they're making structures, and they can choose what to do here of their own volition and enjoy themselves. So these are the tools that were provided by the Repower programme, and understanding how all of this works and is put together so they can build it safely and build up their own confidence as well and the resilience in approaching a project. But they have given us the wherewithal to teach children in a safe environment, and so we can do one-to-one rather than it being a big kind of free-for-all. So we start off with our low-level stuff, and then we teach them using these new skills that they can do much, much better and bigger things.
If you would like to find out more about how we're transforming the EcoPark, please visit our website at northlondonheatandpower.london or email us at nlhpp@nlwa.gov.uk. Thank you for watching.